and welcome back to Ashley Life. In today's class, we're gonna do a little quick get ready with me because I gotta leave the house in 20 minutes. I just finished applying my Make Your Own foundation, and now I'm gonna set it. And I thought this would be fun to do today because I've been wanting to do a little bit more like everyday makeup get ready with me's. And today and yesterday, I've been trying to get the classes that I already filmed on my Nikon onto my computer. And sometimes this happens where the Nikon won't show up when I plug it into the USB. But usually that means I just have to like reinstall a driver or update the driver. But today, oh gosh, I spent like all day today trying to figure it out because I'm so frustrated. I have two classes that I'm super excited to share with you, and I can't get the footage onto my computer. It's so frustrating. So I'm gonna try to have Matt take a look at it when he gets home, but gosh, I hope he can fix it. And so hence me not posting a video yesterday on Sunday because I've been trying to upload every Sunday, and I was so sad because I could not get the footage off of the camera. So that left me to think outside the box, and I was like, you know what? I can use my phone, I can film, I could get some lights going in my room. And I was like, let's just do a little quick get ready with me because that's what I have to do today. So I just finished easy breezy contouring, which obviously I have a class on, so you could go check that out. And I know it looks like a little crazy right now, but believe me, it'll all look good in just like 5 minutes. So a lot of times when you think smoky eyeshadow, you think that you have to use like smoky colors, but I love using like a burnt auburn orangey color. It's just so pretty. And it just really makes the eyes pop. And as you can see, I'm not being like careful whatsoever because I'm doing fast makeup right now. So I'm just kind of like slapping it on really, but it will all come together. Now I'm gonna add just like a little bit of purple. I've been really into purple lately. I just love it. I have green eyes, so I feel like it makes my green eyes pop. So if you always use the same colors all the time, you know, try to step out the box just a little bit. Like maybe one day use all the same colors you normally use, but then that last like color, you choose something different just for fun. Give it a try. And now we're going to blend everything together with my favorite translucent powder by Physicians Formula. This is what brings it all together. Now let's do some brows to define those bad boys. I obviously have a brow class too, so go check that out. Oh my gosh, but over the weekend, I got to go to the Tustin Chili Cook-Off, which was so much fun. I've never got to go before, and I got to taste a really lot of good chilies. It's pretty much a big fair without any rides, with just good food and drinks, and you kind of just walk around and there's some little, you know, shopping that you can do. But I had a blast. You should try to go if you live in the Orange County area. Oh my gosh, but on Saturday, we had tickets to an Angel game. Our friend knows someone who works at the stadium, so he got us free tickets. So we're like, let's go. So there was like 5 of us, and we go to the game, and it ends up being like the busiest game. And it was so crazy because the tickets we got were like in the nosebleeds, and I've never sat in the nosebleeds before. And so the seats are just, I mean, they could not be more vertical. Like, it's scary walking up those stairs and then have to sit down. So I had a couple of friends who could not handle the height, so they did not want to sit there. And so we spent our time trying to find a different place that we could watch the game from, just like a different vantage point, and could not find it. Plus, we all got separated at one point and had to try to come back together. It was so crazy. And I mean, we had fun because we were like together, but like actually watching the game was not happening because we were trying to find a spot to watch the game. So we pretty much spent the whole time like walking around. And so I tried to like watch the game as much as I could from walking around, but that was really hard. We won, and that was exciting. So we ended up leaving, I think, in the 8th inning just because we had... Sadie, what are you doing, you little cutie pie? What are you doing? So anyways, yeah, we left in like the 8th inning because we're like, you know what? We can't watch the game anyways, and we're gonna get stuck in traffic if we stay. So we left to get out of the parking lot traffic. And so we left, and we just ended up going to a place in downtown Anaheim called the District. I think it's called the District. It's in the train, and they have a bunch of like food places and stuff. So we just went there for a little bit just so we could like sit down and enjoy our night because my legs were so tired from walking. So I just did my pre-mixed glitter right now because, hello, you're glitter. And I have 3 colors mixed right now, crystal, rose, and I think gunmetal. And now we gotta bring a little color back to our cheeks. So I'm gonna do some blush. And then I recently found this like liquid highlighter at TJ Maxx, and it's oh so much fun. And now we're just opening the eye with my inside eyeliner trick. Oh my gosh, I do this every day because it's just so awesome. I mean, look at that, it's great. Okay, now it's time for some lashes. Dude, I just did my makeup so fast right now. So I hope that if you see that you've practiced enough and you do things enough, you can do them super fast and you can get ready fast too. You never know that this just took me like 15 minutes to do. Concentration. I'm putting on eyelashes. I think I've been using these lashes for like 2 weeks or so. They're almost getting to the point where I should like bust open a new pack, but not today. I don't have time for that. Let's set our makeup. And let's do some mascara. So I always use the voluminous mascara, but recently I've been using this voluminous primer beforehand, and I'm kind of loving it. I've never used a primer before really, but for some reason I just really like this one. My friend Brittany told me about it actually because she loves this mascara too, and I guess she was like on vacation and she lost her mascara and couldn't find this one, had to get a different one, but she found that primer and she said that the white primer almost made the mascara that wasn't this one like look as good as this one normally does. So I was like, what if I put the two together? They'll be even better, and I think they are. There we go. Now I just need some lips. And so that highlighter I got earlier that I put on my cheeks, they actually had like a pinky one too that I've been using, but I've been putting on my lips. It's amazing. I mean, seriously. So fun. Okay, time for some accessories. I hope you had as much fun getting ready with me as I had getting ready with you. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment down below. If you got any questions about anything that I did today, I'll also answer those. And as always, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. I gotta go, but I just want to let you know that I did wash my hair today and I let it air dry with a center part, and then I did blow dry it upside down for like a few hot seconds, and then I kind of just straightened it where it needed to be straightened, and then I teased it. And I may just straighten it a little bit here right now, right before I run out the door, but that is it. I just got ready in about 15 minutes. It can be done. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just make sure to do so and hit that little bell next to it so it lets you know when I upload a new class, because I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes like this weekly. I'll see you soon.